Okay, don't you... Might be best to wear out all these pigs. Oh shoot, I didn't realize there was one left. Well, I'm glad I was wearing the helmet. That could have been fatal. Yeah, crab muffins. You like some company tonight, Pig King?
Wickerbottom has decided to sit at the feet of the master and learn. The problem is that has healing, but that has sanity, so... Well, it's been an entertaining little trip. Oh, shoot, I should have that on my hand. Well, 14, it's not going to matter. Might as well get rid of it. Oh, I guess... Oh, there it is. Okay, where... Oops. Where pigs? Where pigs? They're pigs. Hey, pig. Yeah, are you hungry? Ooh, I wonder if there's any pigs alive. I guess not. Well, good enough. Come here, piggy. Damn it, pig. Alright, as far as I know, they fixed these, so, they will fight back if you catch them on the turn. Not effectively, but more than they were doing before. I don't think there's any more. Pigs, that is. Alright, let's pick up those berries and eat them. Okay, can we make a hammer? Wonder if I ever left one down here. I guess not. Okay, oh, stones. Well, we'll have to leave some stuff somewhere. Not the first time I've done that. Well, let's hang on to that. Won't be wearing that for a while. Oh, that's stupid. I should be going fast first. No, I do not want to go in the hole. I noticed that around the caves entrances, they're putting like a bunch of rocks so you can find them. I assume that's why there's loose rocks all around. Which I think is great. I wish they'd do something for level 2 of the ruins. Obviously not rocks, but some kind of marker. Oh, a Queenie. Hi, Queenie Queen. I don't know, I got mixed feelings of... Oh, pigs. Hey, pig, pardon me. No, screw that. To the ends of the universe and beyond. Well, I don't know. Do I want to... Well, I probably won't be fighting with pigs in it. Well, shoot, I just don't know. Alright, Pyewacket, you have to come over, huh? Okay, give Daddy a minute here. What's up, baby cat?
Okay, Pyewacket's still on me, so I have no idea if I'll be able to do this or not. There he goes. Oh, hell, I don't have a... Shoot. Well, that's kind of meaningless loot anyway. And that should be with the other piggy butt. So what was I thinking? Lonely pig houses, basically.
know where the pigs are. There's a pig. There's 2 pigs. Poor Coco. I think my other pig has committed suicide. Or pigicide. Oh, 2 pigs committing suicide. Now, let's see. And another pig. Not sure I knew about that effect. Help if I was moving a little faster. Oh, hell, that's not gonna work, is it? Well, time to go, pig. Sorry. Oh, that's just not gonna work at all. Oh, fudge. Guess it's the village or nothing. And I've introduced Batty Bats into the world. I'm gonna run home, screw it. How many? Well, I've got 6. I had this one. Alright. Now calm down for just long enough for me to kill you, buddy. Should probably just leave him on the ground. Damn it, pig! Ah, screw it. Why don't you come over here and turn into a werepig? I don't even know where he is now. There we go.
Yes, where the hell is my sack? Shit. Kind of leery about running through the land of the spiders at night. Well, torch, dummy. There's a limit to how long an adventure should last. Let sleeping spiders lie. Yeah, there's a ton of them up here too. You know what we could do just for fun, since she is the book mistress and there aren't like a ton of whatever I'm going to try to say up here. Trees.
Feel like I've been gone 1,000 years. Yeah, the beehives are just kicking serious butt. Wow, she never made an umbrella. Well, where's the umbrella? Or was that? That was in here, wasn't it? Well, let's make the brelly. So I can look dapper in the rain. Somebody told me that was a good idea. Alright, Wickerbottom and I will be back to having hot fun and good times. If I think about it, we will go wipe out those spiders' nests with the end is nigh. I think that would be unusual, if not unique. Like I said, with Wickerbottom, it's all about the skin-tight leather outfits in the books. I mean, the books. Maybe just the books. Alright, how many piggy butts do I get? Enough for 2 more houses. I'm tempted to go make those while I'm thinking about it. How many boards do I need? Is it 4 each? Of course it is. 3 each. Do I have stones? I really need to fix those walls. The walls around my monster destruction area. Not the place you want to wander into without armor on. Speaking of having stuff on. Hey, piggy! And we ought to wear pigs. Well, I think I'm going to wear pigs before I go to... Move, pig! What's wrong with you? Well, we have a regular old poop factory going here. Yeah, it's too late at night to do the werepig thing. However, I do think I'll forget it if I don't stay here one more day. Well, we'll need 2, won't we? 2 slots for the honey. Wrong time of the day to be doing this. That's only... Oh, that's right. 7 is what Wilson has. She needs more than 7. I'll wind up... It's been a while since I had a refrigerator just full of honey. Well, I'm going to hang around and, well... Yeah, I'm going to hang around and, harvest stuff and go after that. See, what I'm talking about is that's going to be, well... We need to actually cook that tonight. It's going to be dead and gone tomorrow. And that's, what? 5 werepigs there. What's wrong with you, Wickerbottom? Don't dance, cook. She's probably dancing because she has to cook. I don't know if she cooks or not. My wife was working her way through a book called Cooking for Two. Now, how you have a German stepmother and don't learn to cook is beyond me, but she was, well, I guess she was going for other stuff like couples type cooking, but the first night she made dinner for me, she poisoned me. Either that or I'm just not a curry kind of guy. I don't know. I've got to admit I'm probably not a curry kind of guy. I've had it since then and it didn't poison me, so I think she poisoned me. Now, later in the marriage, I would have been sure because it would have been deliberate. And so many chests to make. I'm going to let that burn out. I do not mess with under 20. Okay. Oh, we've got the end is nigh also. Shoot. I should have made taffy. What? Oh, no. That's not good at all. Wait, what the hell is happening here? Damn it, not you. I better quit before I kill myself. Alright. Well, we should have eaten the jerky. 225 is good enough. Alright, we'll take you with us, though. We'll eat one of you. Where's my taffy? My dappy taffy. Oh, taffy first. Shoot, what am I thinking? Gracious. Time to go. Okay, we have food. I have spiderish stuff that I shouldn't have. Put the eyeball in the library. It may be the only... somebody I know kicked up Well, we could just, yeah. Alright. Where are we on armor? I wonder if I should have done these like in a circle. There you go, Wickerbottom at the football game.
Just in the interest of fashion. Should have done the top hat. Wickerbottom out for an afternoon stroll. Bye, doggies. As long as I'm down here, what I'm thinking about is there's a bunch of spider nests right there. And I've never tried the end is nigh on a spider nest. The end is nigh summons down lightning. Well, we don't have 50 shovels yet, do we? Alright, soda, then lightning. With the book mistress, it's all about the books.
Let's go with you and the book. Oh shit! That's what I get. Well, I won't be able to do it. Okay, don't you feel better? I feel better. See, that's the problem though. It doesn't kill the little bastards. Yep, warriors. I'd like to have my Krampus sack back. I don't think it hit the queen. I got my sack back. I wanted to take her into the frogs, but it's too late at night to do that, so we'll just run away and hide. Hope she winds up in the frogs.